Have you ever wondered why industrial automation skills are in such high demand in today's job market? You're about to find out. Welcome to Hitech Automation, located in Vijayawada. We are a 100% job-oriented industrial automation skill development center. Our mission is to equip you with the skills needed to excel in the ever-evolving field of industrial automation. We offer a range of courses including Programmable Logic Controllers, PLC, Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition, SCADA, Human-Machine Interfaces, HMI, and Variable Frequency Drives, VFD. These courses are designed for a wide range of individuals, including those pursuing their MTech, BTech and Diploma, as well as working professionals from various industries such as power plants, oil and gas, pharmaceuticals, cement, sugar, food and beverages, textiles, automobiles and more. Our courses cover various disciplines, including electrical and electronics engineering, electronics and instrumentation engineering, electronics and communication engineering, and mechatronics branches. Our training activities offer a comprehensive hands-on experience with various brands of PLCs, including ALLENBRADLEY, SIEMENS, TIA Portal, Delta, Schneider, and more. Our training methodology consists of 30% theoretical lectures and 70% practical training, allowing students to practice real-world applications and develop customized applications under the guidance of our expert faculty. Our commitment to skill development doesn't just stop at providing quality education. We also take pride in our 100% placement rate. We even offer special batches for working professionals in the evenings, both online and in the classroom. The proof of our success lies in our students. Hitech Automation students are making their mark in as many as 12 countries globally, including the USA, Australia, UAE, Dubai, Saudi Arabia, Italy, South Africa, Oman, Vietnam, Switzerland, Singapore and Nigeria. Closer to home, our trained professionals are working across nearly 10 states in India. So, if you're ready to embark on an exciting journey of learning and skill development in industrial automation, reach out to us. You can find us at Tadigadapa, Vijayawada. You can also email us at hitechautomation.manager@gmail.com or visit our website at www.plcvijayawada.weebly.com. For more information, please contact us at 9848607404 or 924-6487-404. We look forward to hearing from you. Let Hitech Automation be your stepping stone to a successful career in industrial automation.